friends and good food lovers, you are welcome back to Shapla Kitchen. My name is Chef MM, and in this channel I'm going to be showing you how to make mouth-watering dishes that will help to give you and your family unforgettable moments, and it will also upscale your entire cooking skills. So guys, I consider bringing my vast knowledge in culinary world to this channel, ranging from cake making, decoration, pastries, cooking, so many recipes. Guys, I'm going to bring you guys continental, intercontinental. I'm also an Akwa Ibom girl, and yeah, you know we are known for cooking good meals. I'm going to give you real typical Nigerian recipes, and also I'm going to show you guys for people that wants to do business and they are looking for real recipes to start up their businesses. I will be dropping commercial recipes for like people that want to do meat pie and other snacks, even people that need recipes for jollof rice and other things to help them do their business, even people that are looking for recipes to do wedding cakes and lots more. We're going to learn that in Shapla Kitchen. Please stick around to Shapla Kitchen. Look out for Chef MMN because I have lots more to share on this channel. Look out for my videos every week. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video.